Hello and welcome to Trial TV Live. I am the Squeegee of Justice. Thank you so much for joining us as we are going to pick up on our coverage of Wisconsin versus Taycheedah Schabusiness. Thank you guys for joining us. We're looking forward to seeing this. We have a few clips to show you before we get to today's hearing, but just wanted to see who is with us today in our chat for this. Sherry M, Christy R, JRN, and Bama Green Eyes, all welcome to Rabbit Ears. Good job, guys. Shore Life, you guys made it over. Yes, we did a portal from our previous trial, so appreciate you guys coming over. Alex, good to see you. Kimbers, thank you for joining us. Chris Mass, good to see you. MLC, you made it. Awesome. Shandy, it says live in 2 hours. Did you miss something? No, I had to change it. You're seeing things work on the fly. We're working it on the fly right here. Lily Wayne, good to see you. Aussie Gardner, good to see you. Let's see, DeBandez, thank you for the gift membership. Awesome. I hope I said your name right. Welcome, welcome. Come on in. Yes, Sherry, it's been a minute. It's been a minute. Bonfire Barbie, yes, we are back. Scent Bunny, hello, hello. Mallory is present. Joanne Jedi Platypus giving some chat love. Susie, hello, hello. How are you? Aussie Gardner. Karen, good to see you from Ohio. Yep. Hopefully you were watching our coverage of Bianca Ellis. They ended it. The court order. Judge said shut it down. So we'll see if hopefully we can get some videos later tonight. We can show that to you guys tomorrow. Fire Girl, handmade by Wendy. Good to see you. Dwayne, I got left behind, so I had to use my fingers to walk over. That's funny. Amy, good to see you. Brenda, thank you for joining us. Ali B, welcome back, everybody. Iowa back here. Every time I read the disclaimer, every time I think there will be a punchline. No, we're actually trying to be serious. Erica, I can't wait for this one. Alice, that was a tough ride, a rough ride. Sarah, per the description, but the inmate reportedly sent to link. What? No, wait, what? Wait. What do we, are you talking? Wait, what? What? That's just, what? Jade, hello to you. Shadow, good to see you. And Kathy, thank you for joining us. Selena K, hello, hello. Camilla, your tortoise was being difficult this morning. You have a tortoise? Very cool. Fanny Pack, present. Steve says New Mexico, cloudy and chilling out. Oh, Iowa, solar transfer not going well. It's switching the power off and on for seconds at a time, making life difficult for pups who don't like lights flashing, right? Right. Richard, the name Schabusiness is of German origin. Good one. I didn't know that. Hey, Amanda. Jen Pookie, good to see you. Hellrider, you feel fuzzy when you portal? Hey, Kalia, good to see you. Norma, hello from Florida. Yarnwork. Oh, wait, Christy, I'll say hello to you first. And then Yarnwork. Good to see you. Sarah Morgan. Lori, good morning. Rachel saying hello. David, beam me up. Exactly. Vanessa B saying hello, hello. Thank you guys for joining. Really appreciate it. Kitty in the window. Was there a kitty in the window? All right, let's get to it, you guys. Let's get to it. All right. So, Taycheedah Schabusiness. First of all, let's go back over here. So, this incident happened in July. So, Taylor said that she had a staple in her arm, so she went to the hospital in the prison. And, well, first of all, she's in prison because she's serving a life sentence for dismembering her boyfriend at the time. Shad Thyrion, right? So this was in Green Bay. If you guys didn't follow that trial, we did not cover it. But if you guys followed that trial, they were in the middle of, hooking up, doing it, whatever. And she chopped him up and she was playing with him. And it was pretty intense trial. His head was in a bucket. His mom found, this was in the basement. His mom found his head in a bucket. Just really, really off the rails kind of stuff. So she went to trial. She was found guilty. So she's spending a life sentence right now. So while she's in prison, she has a history for attacking her attorneys, right? So while she's there, she says she has a staple in her arm. I'm not sure where, somewhere in her arm. Don't know that. But while the nurse was attending to her, she goes, starts acting out, and she attacks a sergeant. The guard tries to step in. And I'm assuming they were female. I don't know that for sure. I just assumed they were female. Could be wrong on that. Anyway, so she takes a metal tray and she starts attacking the sergeant and the nurse. So that's what this is. That's what this trial is about. So why is she even allowed to have staples? I don't know. I don't know the full story as to Shore Life. I don't know if somebody stapled her arm. I have no idea. I have no idea how that all happened. But right, JRN, buckets, suitcases, what's next? Lacey, I think she does it for attention. Yeah, quite possibly. Quite possibly. Jade, she's beyond deranged. Yeah, Hell Rider, she's one sick puppy, that is for sure. All right. Amy, I don't know how she would even be near staples. Astronomy, good to see you. Thank you for joining us. Yes, poor girl got a staple stuck in her, right? All right, so yeah, who knows if she put it in herself or if somebody stapled her. I don't know. I don't know the full backstory. Oh, hi, Riker. Got a little visit by Riker. All right. All right, let's get to it. So we're going to show her two previous attacks. Before we show her in court, we're going to show her two previous attacks. So this is attack number 1. This is attack number 1. So this is before she went to trial for taking out her boyfriend.
I'm looking at the week of May 15 for the trial.
Stop it. Okay. Stop it. Rachel, call.
Is they bringing 7 in? Or, yeah, let's just go to secondary now and then we'll stand by there.
Billy, can you walk?
Watch breaking news on YouTube.
All right, so that was her first encounter. All right, so that's attack number 1. Now this is attack number 2. Here's attack number 2. This one takes a little bit more time to develop. So here's attack number 2. And there's no audio for a while. And in her, when they announced the verdict, she definitely, she had a spit guard on and everything. She was all protected up. So there's no audio just yet. So no audio just yet. What's this? All right, so no audio. And I've got, Aaron just found the video of her after attack number 1. So we'll go back to that. We'll play that after. I don't think I've seen this before. Oh no, I have seen it. All right, so we'll go back and we'll play that after this one. So again, no audio yet. Audio hasn't. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. No audio yet. So they're waiting for the judge to get in. So this was after she was convicted. And it's interesting that knowing her history, that they have one bailiff behind her. Actually, I think there's two. There's a male and a female behind her. Yeah, this is the second one, Michelle. Yes, she has. There's two. There's two times that she attacked her lawyers. So, and then after this, I'll show. I didn't. Okay, here comes the lawyer, the judge.
All right, the court will call 24 CF 1048, State of Wisconsin versus Taycheedah Schabusiness. Appearances.
Gordon Leach for the state.
Taycheedah Schabusiness is personally present. She is in custody with Attorney Curtis Jelka.
All right, this matter is set for a preliminary hearing today. Mr. Jelka, what's the status?
Your Honor, my understanding is we are proceeding.
All right. Mr. Leach.
Your Honor, I'm just checking in on the status of my officer. I expected her to be here, but I'm also having connectivity problems here. I might need to run upstairs and see if she may be upstairs. If I can have him.
Sure.
And Judge, it sounds like just one witness. We're asking for a sequestration, but that may be a moot point.
All right.
It is one witness, Your Honor.
All right. We're off the record. For CF 1048, State of Wisconsin versus.
I'm sorry. I hate to laugh. I really apologize. I really apologize for laughing, but I'm just like, the lawyer's response after that is just like, the lawyer's response after that is just classic. We have to watch this again.
Taycheedah Schabusiness. Appearances.
Gordon Leach for the state.
Taycheedah Schabusiness is personally present. She is in custody with Attorney Curtis Jelka.
All right, this matter is set for a preliminary hearing today. Mr. Jelka, what's the status?
Your Honor, my understanding is we are proceeding.
All right. Mr. Leach.
Your Honor, I'm just checking in on the status of my officer. I expected her to be here, but I'm also having connectivity problems here. I might need to run upstairs and see if she may be upstairs. If I can have him.
Sure.
And Judge, it sounds like just one witness. We're asking for a sequestration, but that may be a moot point.
All right.
It is one witness, Your Honor.
All right.
We're upstairs and see if she may be upstairs. If I can have him.
Sure.
And Judge, it sounds like just one witness. We're asking for a sequestration, but that may be a moot point.
All right.
It is one witness, Your Honor.
All right.
So it's either WrestleMania, Transylvania, Alcatraz. I wish we had closed captioning on this. I would love to see what they they were able to discern what that was. But the lawyer's reaction, I got to get that again.
All right.
It is one of these, Your Honor.
All right.
Yeah, he's just like, Bip. Oh my God. All right, so there's Transylvania. The look on that lawyer. The lawyer's just like, yep. What are you gonna do? Just yep. All right. So that's that. Now I wanted to show. Now this was after the first. So this is after her first attack. So this one's a little bit longer. This is actually about 9 minutes. So as long as you guys are cool hanging out, let's hang out and let's watch this. All right, so this is after that first attack, right? This is after the first attack. Let me put myself over here. All right, so this is after the first attack.
You went off on your attorney, Taylor. You went crazy on your attorney.
You can't do that here.
You okay?
Yeah.
You're gonna stay here for a minute, all right?
Okay.
Are you able to sit up, Taylor?
She can, Mom. She's gonna stay right where she's at.
All right.
Just relax. Catch your breath.
I don't know why you called me down there. I should have stayed here where I was.
Yeah, what the f did he
I have
need?
no idea.
Okay, cameras.
Oh, sorry.
Cameras.
Taylor,
Was he your
are you okay?
Okay.
Hi.
But he's okay?
I'm gonna have you sit up against the door.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna help you. Okay? So get your feet underneath you.
Yep.
Turn towards me. Just a little bit.
No, that's okay. Use it.
All right, 1, 2, 3. Now slide back.
Yep.
All the way to the door.
Use your feet and just push back. There you go.
There you go. Perfect.
One more big one.
You're good. All right. Just relax. Are you hurt?
No.
You hurt anywhere? Your wrist?
No.
Because I see you got some bruising.
Oh, no.
Any tingling in your fingers or feet or neck?
No.
Okay.
Why don't we
Your vision okay?
Yes.
down?
What's that?
Camera and everything
All right.
over. Down into the...
What do you want her to do?
Go to second floor, holding. Probably.
Is first covered or do we might as well go in?
Well, we're going to have prelim.
Prelims coming up here.
Okay, because they're bringing 7 in.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's just go to second for
Second.
now and then we'll stand by there.
Taylor, can you walk?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, can you get your shoes on?
Okay.
Got my paper?
Got it.
205 monitor. We're moving to second floor holding.
You doing all right?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to bring it up on your second floor, you said?
Yeah, second floor.
He was asking. He was asking on Julie.
Good morning. Hey. Have a seat. She also she just went off on her attorney.
She just hit him? What?
Did not.
You went off on your attorney, Taylor. You went crazy on your attorney.
Yeah, you can't do that here.
You okay?
Yeah.
You're gonna stay here for a minute, all right?
Are you able to sit up, Taylor?
She can, Mom. She's gonna stay right where she's
Okay.
at.
All right.
Just relax. Catch your breath.
I don't know why you called me down there. I should have stayed here where I was.
Yeah, what the f did he do you need?
No idea.
Okay, cameras.
Oh, sorry.
Cameras.
Taylor,
Was he injured?
are you okay?
Okay,
Right.
but he's okay.
I'm gonna have you sit up against the door. Okay, we're gonna help you. Okay? So get your feet underneath you.
Yep.
Turn towards me. Just a little bit.
No, that's okay. We'll use it.
Alright, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now slide back.
Yep. Use
All
your
the way to the
feet.
door.
Use your feet and just push back. There you go.
There you go. Perfect.
One more big one.
You're good. Alright. Just relax. Are you hurt?
No.
You hurt anywhere? Your wrist?
No.
Because I see you got some bruising.
No.
Any tingling in your fingers or feet or neck?
No.
Okay. Your vision okay?
Yes.
What's that?
Camera and everything.
Alright.
Down into the
What do you want her to use?
Want to go to second floor? Holding? Probably.
first covered, or we might as well close it?
Well, we're gonna have prelim.
Prelim's coming up here.
Okay, because they're bringing 7 in.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's just go to second floor.
Second
and
floor?
then we'll stand by there.
Taylor, can you walk?
Roger that.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, can you get your shoes on? Get my paper.
Got it.
205 monitor. We're moving to second floor holding place.
You doing alright?
Okay, are you bringing in a bunch of
Second floor, yeah. He was asking, go ahead, sorry. He was asking about the juvie. Go ahead, Danny. I'm gonna go through the door here.
Okay. Have a seat. She also she just went off on her thing.
She just hit him? What?
Just relax, Taylor, okay?
You guys probably didn't get it, but your videos, just make sure they're on now.
Did not.
You went off on your attorney, Taylor. You went crazy on your attorney.
You can't do that here.
You okay?
Yeah, no.
Are you able to sit up?
Stay here for a minute, alright?
Are you able to sit up, Taylor?
She can, Mom. She's gonna stay right where she's
Okay.
at.
All right.
Just relax. Catch your breath.
Yeah, he called me down there. I should have stayed here where I was.
Yeah, what the did he
I have
need?
no idea.
Okay, cameras.
Oh, sorry.
Cameras.
I asked Quinn if he needed to.
Taylor,
Was he
are
injured?
you okay?
Okay, but he's okay.
He's okay.
I'm gonna have you sit up against the door. Okay, we're gonna help you. Okay? So get your feet underneath you. Turn towards me. Just a little bit.
No, that's okay. We'll use it.
Alright, 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Slide back.
Yep.
All the way to the door.
Use your feet and just push back. There you go.
There you go. Perfect.
One more big one.
You're good. Alright. Just relax. Are you hurt?
No.
You hurt anywhere? Your wrist?
No.
Because I see you got some bruising.
No.
Any tingling in your fingers or feet or neck?
Why don't we,
Your vision
we're
okay?
ready to move down. With the camera and everything. We can move her down into the holding.
You want to go to the second floor? Holding?
Is first covered, or we might as well go right to
Oh, we're
first?
gonna prelim.
Prelim's coming up here.
Okay, because they're bringing 7 in.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's just go to second floor now, and then we'll stand by there.
Taylor, can you walk?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, can you get your shoes on?
Okay.
Got it.
205 monitor. We're moving to second floor holding for right now.
Okay, are they bringing in a bunch for prelims, or are we okay there?
You go ahead, second floor there.
Second floor, you say?
Yeah, second floor. He was asking about the jury.
Have a seat.
Well, what happened?
She also said she's the one talking to her attorney.
All right, so that is Taycheedah Schabusiness. Now, before we get to her hearing today, you guys wanted to watch Dad's testimony, so let's get to Dad's testimony. This is her dad's testimony from her trial. All right. I was saying this is from her trial, and this is her dad. And of course, kitties are being kitties. This is from her trial. This is her dad testifying.
Mr. Freilich, this is
Arturo Coronado.
okay. Sir, if you could stay standing and turn and face her, and as best you can, raise your right hand.
Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in the matter now before the court, so help you God?
I do.
Please have a seat and state your name for the record.
Arturo Coronado.
Okay, Mr. Freilich, the witness is yours.
Thank you. Mr. Coronado, good morning.
Good morning.
Sir, how old are you?
51.
What is your date of birth?
5/24/72.
Are you currently married, sir?
I am not.
Okay. You are living in Green Bay, correct?
Yeah, you know that, Chris.
Okay. And your daughter is Taylor Denise Schabusiness, is that fair?
She is.
Who is her mother?
Marla.
Okay. And you were married to Marla for a while, sir?
Of course.
How many years was it?
We were married about 10, together about 15, 16.
Did you live together in Wisconsin or some other
Illinois.
state? Illinois.
Illinois and Wisconsin.
Okay. And where was your daughter Taylor Schabusiness born?
In Evanston, Illinois.
Okay. Does Taylor have a sister or brother?
She has a brother that passed away last year.
Okay. What was his name?
AJ, Arturo Drep.
Okay.
JREP.
And why did he pass away? What happened?
July 1st last year. Motorcycle accident.
Okay. When you were living in Illinois with your daughter Taylor Schabusiness, was she ever brought to a hospital at all?
No.
Okay. Did she ever receive any mental health treatment when you lived in Illinois?
No.
Okay. Did something happen to Taylor's mother at some point?
She passed away.
Okay.
She passed away May 20th, 2009. In her sleep.
Okay. Did that take a toll on your daughter Taylor?
Well, of course.
Okay. Can you tell me a little bit, sir?
On my son as well and me.
Okay. Right. It took a toll on everybody, correct?
But yeah.
And when her mother passed away in May of 2009, how old was Taylor?
11, probably 11 and a half.
Okay.
My son and daughter were, about 9 and a half and 11 and a half years old.
Okay. Did Taylor go to school that day that her mother passed away?
I tried to get them to go to school, but they knew something was going on.
Okay.
And they came back.
Can you describe a little bit how the death of Taylor's mother took a toll on her or impacted her? Can you give me a little bit of commentary on that?
They were pretty young. I mean, obviously, their mom's not around anymore, and Marla was ill, so just I guess they kind of knew what was going on, but it was unexpected. We watched the movie the night before and fell asleep, and I woke up and my wife was already cold, already passed.
You found her?
She's laying next to me.
Okay. And what about the kids? What about Taylor? Did she see her mom in that state?
They did not see. No, I did not allow that.
Okay. But were the kids in the house?
They were upstairs in their bedrooms.
Okay. After that occurred, did you see any changes in Taylor's behavior, first of all?
She's a little rambunctious. Nothing. I mean, she played volleyball. She had a good amount of friends she hung out with. She was a normal kid.
Okay. Did things change at all for her?
I wouldn't say too much. She got in trouble a little bit at school, but I don't know, something with a band instrument.
What happened with that?
Oh, she just took somebody's band instrument and then returned it, but nothing major.
Okay. When did you come to Green Bay? What year? Do you know?
2000. I started working here in 2007.
2007. Where did you work at?
I worked for Verizon.
Okay.
Before it was GTE, then turned into Verizon.
Okay.
18 years.
Right. And when you came to Green Bay, did Taylor go to school here then?
Of course.
Of course. Where did she go to school?
She went through the Howard Salmico School District.
And then did she go to Bayport High School as well?
Yes, sir.
Did you get information that she was having issues at school?
Well, yeah.
What can you tell me?
From what I can recall, just normal. Just kind of acting out, I guess. Just there's a couple of little instances that happened in high school, but it's kind of why I yanked her out of there and sent her to Texas so she could graduate and kind of get away from the issues that were going on here.
She went to Texas to live with her grandparents?
Correct.
When was that, do you know?
2017, I believe. I'm not sure.
Okay. How old was she in 2017? Do you know?
She was 16 and a half, probably 17.
16, 17. How long did she live with her grandparents then in Texas?
About a year, a little over a year until she graduated. Maybe 2 years. About a year, maybe a year and a half.
Was that Cotulla, Texas?
That's correct.
Was there a point where she got pregnant?
Well, about a year and a half ago, maybe.
Okay. And she had a baby, correct?
Yes, she did.
And the baby is currently living in Texas with the grandparents, correct?
Yeah. How is that relevant to anything here? Why do we need to talk about him?
Let me ask you this. So, before the baby was born, was she placed at Nicolay Psychiatric Center?
Before the baby was born?
Yeah.
Possibly.
Okay. Did you see her at the Nicolay Psychiatric Center?
Oh,
when she was there?
Yeah. I'm sorry. It's just so much going on.
It's through Brown County.
Yeah, I went to take her there myself, actually.
Okay. Why did you take her there?
She just wasn't in the right state of mind.
Was she suicidal?
Probably.
Was she psychotic?
I guess.
Objection. I don't think this witness has the ability to answer that question.
Rephrase the question.
Okay. All right. Was she experiencing like hallucinations?
She was not in a right state of mind at all. So I feared that she would hurt herself. So that's why I took her. We both agreed. We both went there together and tried to get help, and then ended up releasing her, and she came home, and that was about it.
Okay. Was she prescribed some medications and things like that?
She was at that evening, no, but yeah, she has been on some medications that she'd never liked taking those pills. I mean, they kind of messed her up even worse.
Did they cause her to hallucinate or cause her to have
I think
problems?
It all started with a Seroquel that was taken, back, I don't understand too much about those prescription drugs, but they never agreed with her at all.
Okay. And do you know the other medications that she was asked to take?
ADHD, Adderall, I believe.
Anything about Haldol?
I don't know.
Okay.
But I know she was prescribed some stuff, but I don't know the names.
Okay. Did you talk to some of the doctors or psychiatrists at the Nicolay Psychiatric Facility?
Judge, I'm going to object. I think this witness can offer his observations and the facts that he's aware of from what he observed of Ms. Schabusiness with respect to what he learned from doctors about her mental health conditions. We have professionals who are going to answer questions based on the records. Those people are better equipped to answer those questions. The information he received from doctors is hearsay.
It's not hearsay. I didn't ask what they said. I just asked if you talked to the doctors, Your Honor.
Sure. So the question that's pending isn't asking for hearsay. I think the objection was made because it sounds like that's where we're headed. So he can answer the question that was just asked, and then I'll just indicate, Mr. Freilich, that objection is probably coming if you go the next step. But the question that's pending can be answered. So I think the question was, did you talk to anybody at Nicolay?
I did.
Okay. Ask another question, Mr.
Okay. Did Taylor live with you in Green Bay for a while?
For a little bit, yeah.
Was that in 2021, or what year was it?
I believe so, yeah. But again, speaking to them and her being an adult, they really, even being a father, weren't allowed to disclose anything.
Right. Sure. When she lived with you, sir, what address did she live with you at?
1130 Moraine Way.
And how long did she live with you?
Just a few months.
Did it ever come to a point where you didn't want her to stay there anymore because her behaviors were getting worse, or her mental status was getting worse?
No. I love my daughter, so I'll do whatever it takes to help her out.
Okay. Did you ever review any of her records at all?
Objection. I don't think he can testify to the content. Again, I think it's the same objection. He can answer whether he reviewed them. He can't answer anything about the content of the record.
Your Honor, the state, what they're trying to do is they're trying to anticipate an objection. They know this one is not an objectionable one, in my opinion. And any good parent, when you go to the doctor, you're going to talk with the physician or the psychologist or whoever it is about the status of your child. So I'm just asking that.
It's not like I didn't try. I tried talking to her.
Wait. So I'm going to overrule the objection at this point, and the question can be asked. Mr. Freilich, why don't you ask it again so the witness has it in his mind?
Okay, Your Honor. I kind of forgot, so hopefully
Did you review some of the records of your daughter? Did you review any of the records?
Like at the facility?
Yes.
Again, she was an adult at the time, and I can't,
Yeah, she was. No,
she was. Yeah.
Okay. When she was living at your house, sir, on Moraine Way, was she ever experiencing any hallucinations or anything like that?
Yeah.
Can you tell me about that?
Just know that she wasn't in the right frame of mind. She's gonna kind of see things. She'd like to walk around, and we take a walk, cemetery, just right down the street. But she just needed, just to kind of get out and walk around, and I guess ease her mind.
Did you have concerns about her from a physical or mental standpoint?
Always.
Okay.
Always.
All right. Thank you. Nothing further. I appreciate that.
Do you have any cross-examination?
Just briefly, Mr. Coronado, were you aware of whether or not your daughter was employed during the time that she was residing with you on Moraine Way?
She was not at the time, no.
Do you know anything about her employment history as an adult?
Sure.
And had she held jobs in the past?
Oh, yeah.
Do you know where she worked?
She worked for Saputo. She worked a couple years, Saputo, 3.5 years probably.
And is that relatively recently? Prior to her arrest, of course.
Yeah, right. Prior to.
Yeah, and
she was doing really well there too until her boyfriend/husband got out of jail. That turned everything upside down.
Okay. In part because of the methamphetamine use, right?
Yep.
So Taylor was doing pretty well, and then she started using the drugs.
Yeah.
Anything else? No further questions.
Pretty bad drug too.
Anything on that, Mr. Freilich?
What was the drug?
No, meth, heroin, whatever else. I don't know.
Marijuana?
Yeah, I don't know. The kid was already doing that shit before, and just a fucking loser, and he got my daughter involved in that shit.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Nothing else.
Anything on that?
No.
Okay, thank you. You can step down.
I love you too. Go Bears.
Just a fucking loser, and he got my daughter involved in that shit.
Thank you, sir. Nothing else.
Anything on that?
No.
Okay, thank you. You can step down.
I love you too. Go Bears. Te quiero.
So she says, love you too, go Bears. Go Bears. All right, so now we're going to get to the hearing that happened today. So we're going to get to the hearing that happened today, but before, this is a big if Bianca Ellis's trial is not streamed tomorrow, because the judge ordered this afternoon that there's going to be no more streaming today, so Court TV took it off their channel. If you go to Court TV right now and you want to watch Bianca Ellis, it's not there. It may come up later, who knows, but it's a big if. We're going to be 100% Bianca Ellis, but if her trial isn't streamed for whatever reason tomorrow, what would you guys want to watch? Taycheedah Schabusiness, this was part of it right now. Chandler Halderson, he took out his two parents, chopped them up, tried to burn them in his fireplace, tried to bury them. Really, his girlfriend came over and she's like, "What's that smell?" He's literally trying to burn his parents in a fireplace. And then they ate. Then he cooked dinner for her. So just keep that in mind. Or Daisy Link, which started today. So, and again, this is a big if. It's a big if you guys, if Bianca Ellis is not streaming. So you tell me. So right now, Daisy Link seems like Daisy Link is a winner. All right. I asked and chat responded. All right, now we are going to get to today's hearing. So we just wanted to give you a little backstory, a little backstory on Miss Shabibi. Oh, this looks like her lawyer from her. Now this is her lawyer from her trial. This is her lawyer from her trial. Okay, so now this is from today. All those trials sound wild. Yeah, they are. Dazzle, if anyone wants to go on a diet. Chazzy is good, but definitely Daisy. All right, Chazzy boy. Michelle, oh my God, this is why I had to step away from true crime. I know, Michelle. What is Daisy about? I don't know. Let's get through this. This is only 10 minutes, so let's get through this. Or know what you guys want to know about Daisy, or what is Daisy Link? Daisy Link trial. All right, it refers to a recent murder trial of a Florida woman who gained national attention becoming pregnant while in jail. She ultimately, let's see, hold on. What? It's underway 3 hours ago. All right. You'll be fine, murder trial. Let's see. I'm trying to find, so her, standard, wow, she got pregnant in jail. So my AI overview is very, that doesn't make sense. I'm not going to go with that. Hold on. Okay. So, accused of taking out her boyfriend after becoming pregnant in jail. Surveillance video captured Daisy Link holding when the shooting happened in 2022. She was behind bars waiting. Let's see. She coordinated with another inmate in a bizarre scheme to become pregnant without ever meeting the man in an attempt to get out of jail. She gave birth to a baby boy. Oh God. He put stuff in a saran wrap like 5 times a day for a month. I placed it inside of the yeast infection applicators. From there, I administered it. The convoluted plot to get pregnant was all part of a plan linked hope would result in her being released from jail. Oh my, you guys talk about Florida, man. It's only expected to last 2 days. Jury selection is expected to last 2 days. All right. Wow. So he handed over his stuff to her. Wow. All right. Again, this is a big if Bianca isn't streamed, I'm committed to Bianca, you guys. I'm not going to stop Bianca. Wow, this is going to be a tough decision because we're not going to know until tomorrow if Bianca's streamed. So we do have to make a decision. Maybe we'll do Daisy Link and we'll pick up on Bianca afterwards. All right. That is a weird case. All right. Yeah, totally. This is so it's like, sure, why not? Yep. Only in Florida, right? You've heard of Florida man, meet Florida woman. All right. Let's watch Taylor here. This is her this happened earlier today. So let's get to this.
Stupid fucking chair. Oh my god. Hell no. Yeah, you did a good job getting that fucking deal. Do I need to go tell them that we're ready? Jacob already made it. We did? Okay, thank you. I'm sorry. I can do it. Yeah.
Please be seated.
The court will call 24 CF 1048 State of Wisconsin versus Taylor Schabusiness. Appearances.
The state appears by Assistant District Attorney Tessa Button.
Your Honor, good morning. Attorney Christopher Keith Freilich appears today in person with the defendant, Taylor D. Schabusiness.
All right, this matter is set for a status conference. Mr. Freilich, what is the status?
Your Honor, I've talked with the district attorney's office. I've conferred with my client. I've reviewed the case. Ms. Schabusiness has decided that she wishes to enter into a plea agreement with the state. She will tender a plea to an amended charge of disorderly conduct as a misdemeanor offense. I have reviewed the plea questionnaire waiver of rights form carefully with my client. We've gone over all of her constitutional rights. We've had a chance to also talk on the phone. And we've reviewed the elements for this offense. Both of us have signed the form, and I have it available for the court.
All right. Thank you. Ms. Schabusiness, I've received a plea questionnaire waiver rights form. It would indicate that you're going to plead no contest to an amended count of disorderly conduct, and then both sides would be free to argue that sentence. Is that your understanding of the agreement?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay. This form indicates that you are 27 years old. You completed 12 years of schooling. You do have a high school diploma, GED, or HSCD. You understand the English language, and you understand the charges that you're pleading to, the disorderly conduct, what the state would have to show to find you guilty of that count is that you engage in violent, abusive, indecent, profane, boisterous, unreasonably loud, or otherwise disorderly conduct which, under the circumstances as they then existed, tended to cause or provoke a disturbance. Is that your understanding?
Yeah.
You understand that the maximum penalty on this is 90 days in jail or a $1,000 fine or both, correct?
Yeah.
Yes. And you understand that the court is not bound by any agreement between the parties, and I could sentence you up to that maximum?
Yeah.
You still want to proceed?
Yeah.
Yes? Has anybody made any threats or promises to get you to change your plea today?
No.
You're doing so after speaking with your attorney?
No. I'm good. Yeah, we going straight. We doing it. We doing the plea.
Okay, you want to do the plea, right?
Yeah.
And you're doing so after discussing it with your attorney, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. This form further indicates that you are not currently receiving treatment for mental illness, mental disorder, and you have not had any drugs, alcohol, or medication in the past 24 hours. Is that all correct?
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Yes. The next section are your constitutional rights. Those rights are found here on the plea questionnaire. These boxes are checked. May I presume that you've read these or had them read to you by your attorney, and that you're freely, voluntarily, and intelligently waiving these constitutional rights and entering your not guilty plea, or I'm sorry, your no contest plea? Is that right?
I'm doing that.
You're doing that? Okay. You understand that those rights include but are not limited to your right to a trial, your right to remain silent, your right to testify at your trial, your right to a jury trial. All those rights you're giving up by entering a plea, correct?
Right.
Right. Okay. Mr. Freilich, you went over this form with Ms. Schabusiness and answered all her questions.
Yes, I have very carefully, Your Honor.
Do you believe that she is freely, voluntarily, and intelligently changing her plea today?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Do you believe that there's a factual basis for her plea?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
May I use the criminal complaint to find that factual basis?
Your Honor, yes, you may.
And how many offers total did you receive in this matter?
One.
And you conveyed it to Ms. Schabusiness, and she's chosen to accept it?
Yes, I sent it to her by letter. I talked with her about it on the telephone, and we also talked in person today.
All right. Ms. Schabusiness, you've heard what your attorney had to say, correct?
Yeah.
Do you agree with him?
Yeah.
Do you believe that you are freely, voluntarily, and intelligently changing your plea today?
Yeah. I'm going in with the plea because that's what I put my initials down on.
Okay.
Yeah,
and do you have any questions of Mr. Freilich?
Never.
Never. And you agree that there's a factual basis to your plea, correct? To the disorderly conduct plea?
Yeah, violent behavior.
All right. Ms. Button, you're moving to amend count 1 from battery by a prisoner to disorderly conduct?
Yes, Your Honor, and we are in victim rights compliance. I have spoken with the victim in this matter, and she's in support of the resolution. She does have some feedback for sentencing, but I can save that for later.
All right. That motion is granted. So, Ms. Schabusiness, what is your plea to the amended count disorderly conduct?
Hey, no contest. We ain't doing no contest.
No contest. Ms. Schabusiness, I accept your plea. I find that it's been freely, voluntarily, intelligently made. I find that there's a factual base for your plea. I accept it, find you guilty, and enter judgment. Ms. Button, you're asking that this be set for a later sentencing date. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor. I have a copy of the video that I plan to file for the court ahead of time.
Mr. Freilich, what's your position on that?
Your Honor, Assistant District Attorney Button and I, we talked about this, that we would maybe do this case in 2 parts if the court was okay with it. I'm fine with having the sentencing hearing on a different day. I also talked with my client, and she's fine with that as well.
And you would want Ms. Schabusiness in court?
Yes. Yes, please.
All right. The court will reset this. How much time do you think you need, Ms. Button?
Not long, Your Honor. I can file it today.
Your Honor, do you mean for the hearing?
For time to prepare for the hearing and the hearing. Yeah.
I think 45 minutes maybe for the hearing, just to be safe. Yeah. Maybe 30 days.
Why don't we do this? Why don't we... Can we do... the afternoon of December 1st?
Yes, I'm wide open.
All right. Can we do 1:30?
Perfect.
1:30, Ms. Button?
That's fine.
All right, we'll reset it for a sentencing on December 1st at 1:30.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Case adjourned.
All right. Okay.
I'll talk to you soon, okay?
All right. All right.
All right, so that is that. All right, so that's that. Richard, thank you. Appreciate it. I just saw your comment. So that sounds good. Hopefully you'll have fun for sure. Thanks for replying. All right. So that's it. That's it for us for today. I'll put myself over here. All right, so let's look at the poll. We asked you guys what you guys wanted to watch tomorrow. Kind of things I'm kind of leaning towards. I think Bianca is going to be. It's going to be tough to watch her in the capacity that we watched, day 1 and 2, because there were just so many commercials. So I think what we may do is we may just come back to her. We may come back to her, and we'll just pick up on. Let me see. Let's see. We may come back to her. I don't want to stop watching her. I definitely want to continue that. But let's just see if. Yeah, the court ordered. No more streaming. I don't know if it's just for today or if it's for the entire trial. So that would really stink. So you know what we're going to do? We'll put a pin. We'll put a pin in it. We'll put it on pause. We'll put Bianca on pause. We can always come back to her. So we're going to go over to Daisy Link. All right, we'll go over to Daisy Link starting tomorrow. We asked, you guys voted. I want to end this. All right, I can't. Hold on, let me end the poll. All right, we asked you guys responded. So Daisy Link trial, 51% said Daisy Link, Taylor Schabusiness 34%, Chandler Halderson 15%. We can always get back to Chandler and Taylor. We can always get back to them. We could always do Daisy Link at a different time too. But I do like the idea of doing something that's more live. Chandler, I definitely want to do around Halloween, or Taylor. We could do that around Halloween. Okay, so we'll do Daisy Link. We're going to pick up on Daisy Link. All right, Amanda. Want to thank you for all your hard work over the last couple of days. We really appreciate you all. Thank you, Amanda. Thank you. Can't wait to do a deep dive on Daisy. Yeah, we got some work to do. Dwayne, yeah, you're going to change your vote to Chandler. Yeah, I think it's going to be commercials. If they even show it. They may not even show it. If the judge said no more streaming, that's it. So it may be done. You guys. Meaning Bianca may be over. So, all right, we're going to switch over to Daisy Link. Aaron and I have some work to do. We got to shift gears and get all our graphics together and all our links and descriptions and all that good stuff. So I will let you guys go for the evening. Thank you so much for joining us. Dwayne, this one's for you. There's a little Super Ball, your buddy's Super Ball, and here's a little Fed. Super Ball wants to go out. Little Fed. Hey, buddy. Hey, bud. Come over here and purr. He purrs at the drop of a hat. Can you hear him purring? Do you guys hear him purring? Yeah, it's a good boy. And Super Ball's over there. All right, you guys. Thank you for joining us. We will pick up on Daisy Link starting tomorrow. Look for us probably 8:30 or 9, and we'll do day 1 tomorrow, and maybe day 2 we'll try and get us caught up so we're live for day 3. All right. Thank you to Erin. Thank you to our mods. You guys do a great job. Erin does a fantastic job. She's working on graphics. I'm going to go help her with that and the description. Appreciate you all. And join us tomorrow for day 1 of Daisy Link, and we'll see how fast we can get through it. And maybe we can put in a little bit of day 2 as well. So with that, thank you, chat, for being with us. And we will see you tomorrow for Daisy Link. Oh, I also want to tell you, we're doing a Halloween stream. I want to put that in your ear right now. We're doing a Halloween stream Friday, Halloween night. So we'll talk more about it as we get closer. But yeah, keep your calendars open. Friday night, Eastern, 8:00. We're going to do a holiday stream. I think you guys will really like it. We're going to play games, and it'll be fun. Interactive. It'll be interactive. So with that, have a wonderful evening, and we will see you tomorrow for Daisy Link. Bye.